Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to show trial products. 319 rupees, 14 trial points. First one is free gift. Smitten leather pouch. This is 9-day dry comfort pads. This is masking face mask. This is toothbrush holder. We travel to toothbrush. Now, Beauty and Planet hair serum. Our shampoo. This is Let's Shave body wash. That's loaf. Aroma blush shampoo. This is the Love Code body wash. Bubble bath. That's Dot and Key shampoo. Let's Shave body wash. Aroma blush shower gel and body lotion. So, these products are in the video. Tata, bye bye, see you.